Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Noel Mix Vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Guys, nanganak na yung ating aso na si Santi guys. Ayan. At 10 o'clock tonight, March 17, 2026. Ayan, dyan siya nanganak guys. Tandaan nyo guys, para pa nag-birthday sila guys, ayan, may regalo sila galing sa inyo. 4 puppies guys, 4 puppies, 3 girls and 1 boy guys. Ayan, isang lalaki lang, tatlong babae. He's bearing 4 puppies. My dog guys, my dog Santi bearing 4 puppies. Oh yes. Hala, na-extra pa yung puting manok ko Manok ni San Pedro. Hey, look guys, my dog Santi bearing 4 puppies over there. She bears 4 puppies over there, guys. Yes. Yes, 4 puppies guys. She is very tired. Oh, they're starting finding the breast of their mother guys. They are started to find the breast of their mother. They started to drink milk from their mother. They find the breast of their mother. Yes, they are drink milk from their from the breast of their mother. Yes, they find the breast. Nice. You're tired bearing your puppies, Santi. You're very tired. Relax, just relax now. You finish bearing your puppies. Ayan guys, unang umaga ng kanyang mga puppies, unang araw ng kanyang mga puppies guys. Pagod na pagod na napagod kagabi sa panganak guys, Santi. Yan guys yung kanyang 4 na supling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan, apat na guys. Yan, salamat Santi. Nanganak ka na naman. Marami naman tayong alagaan guys. Thank you for watching. Guys, ito naman yung pangalawang araw ng ating mga tuta guys. Ayan, ang bilis nilang lumaki guys. Ang lakas na nilang dumedi lalo kasi patuloy na sila ngayon guys. Ayan o, ang lulusog nila. Talagang matakaw silang dumedi guys sa nanay nila. Ayan o, isang itim, 3 brown ang ating mga tuta guys na malulusog. At ito na guys, ang kanilang pang 3 days. Ayan, guys. 3 days pa lang yan guys, pero ang cute na nila. Pero yung nanay nila guys, hindi yan aso na malaki. Ano lang yan guys, yung parang bansot. Isang bansot aso yan guys. Pero yung anak niya guys, normal na normal. Yan. Kumbaga, lahi ng bansot yung mga aso ko guys. Maliliit lang sila. Pero yung anak nila guys, it's normal naman. Ayan, malaki na sila guys sa loob ng 3 days pa lang. Ayan. Gagawin, tulog na tulog yung dalawa guys. Yung dalawa lang dumidede. Ayan Ayan guys, enjoy watching sa aking mga 4 puppies. Tulog naman yung nanay niya guys. Ayan. Yan, ay gising pa lang. Gising pala yung nanay guys. Siyempre mahirap matulog ka rin ganyan. May bumubumba sa dedo mo. Mahirap makatulog no. Ayan ang aking mga new puppies today. Hello guys, at ito naman ang kanilang pang-apat na araw guys. Ayan, kaya medyo malalaki na sila. At mas mabilis na silang dumede. Mas malakas na silang dumede ngayon guys. Kasi 4 days na sila guys. Malalaki na yung ating mga toots, mga tuta. Ayan, wala pa sila mga pangalan guys. Hindi pa nabibinyagan. Baka naman may gusto kayong ipangalan dito guys sa 4 na yan. At pwede rin kapangalan nyo guys. Para hindi ko kayo malimutan guys. Ayan. Joke lang po guys. Joke lang yan. Abangan nyo po ang kanilang paglaki guys. Update ko po kayo lagi. So nandito na po guys. At sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood sa aking vlog nito guys. Ayan. At kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe guys, please like and subscribe na rin po sa aking channel. At huwag nyo pong kalitang mag-comment guys para malaman ko po kung satisfied ba kayo sa aking mga vlogs tulad nito guys. So thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video guys. Bye bye and God bless everyone. See you.